And first at 5, the Walker Fire Department is working to bring awareness about the importance of smoke detectors after a fire quickly spread through a home earlier in the week.
News 8's Kyle Mitchell explains what you need to know to stay safe.
The fire chief says 2 people escaped this home just in time, and there were no working smoke detectors inside. In just a matter of minutes,
they found fire coming out of the front of the house.
Flames quickly engulfed this home on Cummings Avenue Southwest in Walker around 4 o'clock Monday morning before firefighters arrived.
It became clear to us that there was not a functioning smoke detector in the residence. They don't remember hearing it, which is usually a sign that we don't have a functioning smoke detector.
Fire Chief Russell Schultz says a cat did not survive, and a woman inside was woken by a loud bang as the fire grew and somehow made her way outside through the smoke.
This is a scenario, unfortunately, that could have easily ended in the other way. We could have easily had a tragedy here of someone losing their life in a fire.
The department is reminding people to make sure they have smoke detectors.
Does it have the batteries? Does it work? The little test button on the bottom.
Early notification is crucial when seconds matter.
The bare minimum you would want is 1 per floor in your residence, and that includes your basement and your attic.
Smoke detectors should be replaced every 10 years. Having carbon monoxide detectors is also important to protect your family from the odorless gas.
You want that in rooms where you sleep, you want that in rooms where you cook, and certainly at least 2 per floor would be the bare minimum that I would have in our residence.
If you need help with installing smoke detectors, your fire department can help. Most provide free detectors and can help you put them in your home.
The state of Michigan Fire Marshal has a tremendous program where they provide the local fire departments with as many smoke detectors as we need.
Knowing how crucial smoke detectors are, firefighters want you to make sure they're not something you overlook.
And just because of the synthetics and new plastics and those type of things, fires grow rapidly inside of a building. So what used to take 20 to 25 minutes to consume a room inside of a house now takes 3 to 4 minutes.
In Walker, Kyle Mitchell, News 8.